We have just finished the early adopter phase for Total Time. I have been using it for the last 2 weeks, and I must say it is easier and quicker to use than Carpe Diem. It's intuitive to get used to. The mobile functionality is considerably better than what we had before. For me, the best feature of it is the time capture functionality. At the end of the day, you get a reminder of some of the things that you've been doing during the day, so it's much easier to complete your timesheet. I'm very much looking forward to seeing the benefits of this rolled out all the way across the firm.
So time recording is obviously an essential part of what we do here, but I'm pretty sure that it's nobody's favourite job. So the good news is that the software that we've now got and that's being rolled out has been designed to make it much easier and for the whole process to be far more user-friendly. I've been part of the early adopter phase over the last couple of weeks and have been testing the software, and I'm pleased to say that there's some definite improvements over the system we currently have. Things like better integration with Regdesk, so there's less time lag when you want to record time on new files, greater visibility on gaps in your day, it's easier for other people to record time on your behalf. You can also track your utilization and your targets in real time, so that can really help across the course of the month. And even simple things like timers are better set up and there's more intuitive client and matter lookup as well. It's definitely not a carbon copy of Carpe Diem. It looks very different, it responds slightly differently, but all of the basic functionality is the same. I would really recommend though that you get yourself along to the training, ask any questions that you have so that you're ready to hit the ground running and you can make this new software part of your daily time in the office.